Hello, in this video, we're going to look at how to redact a PDF document in iOS. If it's not redacted correctly, the data will still be visible behind the block. So welcome to MacMingle. Here we're looking at a document, and it's a PDF. So if we scroll up to the top, we can see that we want to block that temp access 8472 exclamation. Most people select that black bar there, and it tells you here that if you're trying to permanently delete it, it's not happening. Don't use this feature is what they're really telling you. Let's go ahead and test it. Let's make that little bar, the box, the right size, drag it over the text, and then once we place it there, if you print it, it'll print properly and it won't show the code. But if you save the file, something different happens. Let's take a look at that. Let's not save it that way. Let's rename this file. And it's not the original anymore, not the original version 1. We'll go ahead and change that to version 2. And that automatically saves the PDF. Then let's close out of the PDF and go back and reopen it. When we've reopened it, it looks like it's worked. But we need to test this. And how we test it is we go ahead and paint the area that we're interested in, and we do Command-C to copy it. And then we open TextEdit and paste it. And we can see that the password is still visible. So let's go ahead, move that off screen. Let's try something different. Let's go ahead and export it as a JPEG. And then let's make the quality the max and save it as V3, version 3. Then let's close this v2.pdf and open v3, which is now JPEG. And now that area is redacted. Let's go ahead and copy that zone and paste it into the text edit box. Copy. And clear that and paste it here. And we can see the password is gone. The issue, however, is the quality has degraded quite a bit. The image is not as good as the original. If you look closely, the text clarity is not quite what you want it to be. Let's go back to the test v2 file and then copy the section. And let's take this and delete it. Now let's use this button here, the redact button. And now it tells you that when you use this, the data is permanently deleted. So let's go ahead and say OK and paint the area we want to redact. And when you do that, you'll see a little X's appearing. Let's expand it. And there you can see the X's. This is when you know it's really being redacted. Now let's go ahead and save this as, let's call it V4. And let's call it redacted so we know which ones we're talking about. And then we close it and let's reopen that file. There it is, test v4 redacted. And let's paint the area and see whether the data is still behind it. Copy that, bring back TextEdit, delete that, and paste it. And you can see that it's disappeared. And that's the process to make sure redaction is done correctly. Now, if you don't redact it correctly, you might think you're redacting it, and the recipient can go ahead and see the data that's underneath it. So make sure to use this redact button. And I hope that was helpful. And thank you so much for watching.